named as Bhutini mudra. There are two meanings of Bhut. Once you perform this mudra, you vibrate such energy which keeps every obstacle far from you. Now, you first bring your thumb together and touch them. This is first you will do. Second, you will bring the middle. This video is especially for those individuals who are dealing with black magics and negative energies that have been affecting your confidence and holding you back from success. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. This is Prashant, founder of Yoga Vidya School India. Before we go forward, I would suggest everyone to subscribe this channel and share this video to all people, because today's video is based on mudra which in Tantra yogis used to perform in order to achieve the higher reach in spiritual growth. And we'll be focusing on a unique gesture, the mudra, which named as Bhutini mudra. There are two meanings of Bhut. One meaning means ghost, Bhuta. The other meaning is Panchabhuta, 5 elements, Bhutini mudra. It is about the element. This mudra helps you to bring all the element power together and gives you connective and collective power so that you can grow in your spiritual path without being affected by any other negative energies around you. It is important to note that the energy source within our body reside at the navel center. And when our wrong actions, wrong mental thoughts, wrong activities disrupt this energy flow, we become susceptible to the negative energies. Let's understand what is this mudra, how to perform, how much to perform, and when is the best time to practice this mudra. So as I said, the mudra is Bhutini mudra, one of the tantric mudra. Ancient time yogis used to practice this mudra when they used to go for deep meditation, when they used to go for deep sadhana. Because sometimes when you are sitting in sadhana, you never know who can disturb you, who can distract you from the path. Maybe you are sitting in forest in your sadhana, in your room in your sadhana, but suddenly ant is coming and crawling up. You never know, any animals can come anytime and can disturb you as long as you are not protected. But still, you don't have any command, any control in this nature. But once you perform this mudra, you vibrate such energy which keeps every obstacle far from you. So you will not be distracted or disturbed by any other forces. So the mudra is Bhutini mudra. For that, what Tantra says, Badhva tu yoni mudram ve, madhyame kutale kuru, angushthen tadagretu mudreyam Bhutini mata. So for that, what you have to do is, first, place the hand in front of you. See here, palm facing up and bringing the small finger together like this. Now, you first bring your thumb together and touch them. This is first you will do. Second, you will bring the middle finger touching together and placing closer to the thumb. So 4 tip, thumb, your middle finger, and other thumb and middle finger, they will be touching together, and all 4 tip will touch together. That's the first step. Second step is you will bring the index finger close to each other and bringing them again, tip of the index finger touching together, but keeping the index finger a little far from these 4 fingers, this. And now, once you do this, bring the thumb together, see, here. And now, place this. And at the end, all these 2 fingers, which is ring finger and small finger, they will go to all direction. These all 4 fingers, when they move to different direction, it means they're clearing the path, the aura is expanded. And that's the protection area. And this one, the index finger point, guide you further in a spiritual path. It means your path will be clear, and these 4 fingers will keep you safe from other energies. And once you do this mudra, at the end, you have to place this mudra close to your navel. This is how you will practice this Bhutini mudra. Now let's understand how much to practice and when is a good time to practice this mudra. At the beginning, you will start this mudra minimum 4 to 5 minutes every day. Okay? Later, with the time, you will increase in numbers. Means after few days, if you will be comfortable by keeping the hands in one position for a longer period of time, because in the beginning it will be quite difficult for many of you, if you are a beginner, to hold the position, because after that your hands will start getting tired, sometimes shoulder will start getting tired. So in that case, in the beginning, 4 to 5 minutes every day, at least for 21 days to 1 month. Once you are familiar with this holding, you will start increasing the time. You will go for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. 10 minutes every day is the best time to get benefit from this mudra. The best time of performing this mudra is when 5 elements are balanced. So first of all, early in the morning, during sunrise, that's the best time. Or if you don't have enough time during sunrise, you can practice in the evening, sunset time. These are the 2 very important times when this mudra becomes more powerful. If you're a beginner, can't hold the position for a longer period of time, and once you will do this and master this mudra, you will see the miracle start happening in your life. You don't need to worry of anything. You don't need to worry with any other energy field. Your energy power, your energy field becomes stronger, and you'll be safe from negative energies. Anyone, if will do anything to you energetically, will not affect you. This mudra will create an aura, create a shield around you, which will protect you from any strong energy. So try this mudra, share this video to others, help them also to be protected energetically. Write me in comment if you understood this mudra, and if you want to know more about these powerful techniques, more about these powerful mudras in the future. I'll see you again next video. Namaste. Hari Om.